is the idea that we're all in agreement that tech will improve the efficiency of how we conduct clinical trials.
Yeah.
However, it's we can pull the sites also and or the people and ask, just like the CRA sent in their question. Um, their concern was they're not using any tech.
Right. Right. Doc,
So
anything to add on that?
Yeah, I think like from my personal experience with this, I use the technology primarily for signing regulatory documents and charts and doing e-consents, and it certainly has improved efficiency. I think one of the newer technologies that's our EHR is going to be developing, which is a natural language processing, where we can scan the electronic health record to look at echo reports and consults, and I think this is going to really help get a better quality result and be able to enroll patients quicker, and faster recruitment, better retention of patients, and hopefully less man hours, combing through the different charts of our practice, going through ICD-10 codes that necessarily don't match up with the patient.
I was looking at some data from Clinical Trials Arena, and it talked about only 1% of DCTs use ePros, while 52% of US-based DCTs use telemedicine. You were involved with some virtual trials and DCTs. What was the technology that you guys were using?
Yeah, we went in a studying a decentralized asthma study, and so we would use telemedicine for the visits, and that went very well, very smooth tech wise, and we were also using smart inhalers. So it would every time the patient would actuate the inhaler, the sensor would pick up on that, and then the patient would upload the data, and we would get an idea of how well controlled their condition is, how frequently they're using the medication, adherence to medication. So it did have its pitfalls. You have to make sure that the primarily user error, the patients were squirting a couple of puffs into the ear before they would actually use the inhaler, or they would lose the sensor, or they wouldn't upload the data in a timely manner. But overall, I think the technology works very well.